Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you all the data analytics and reports that are available on the IOCL all-in-one marketing system. Firstly, I would like to show you the reports that are available for the group hotels. A lot of our clients are chain hotels, and for their top management at the corporate office, we have a daily report, which is basically a group daily report, which will give them what was the previous night's performance. So they can see all their hotels and what was the occupancy in each of their properties the previous day, what was the revenue closure, how many room nights was sold at, and what was the average room rate, as well as what was the month to date revenue. It also gives us what was the pickup in each of these properties in terms of revenues, room nights sold, ARR, as well as what is the customer review score in each of these properties. There's also the channel wise performance. So for the top management to understand that overall for the entire group, which are the sources of business which is actually performed the previous night and what has been the revenue and room nights sold from those sources, as well as what is the pickup from each of these sources for the entire group. Now this group report can be configured to come to your email ID every morning. There's also a pickup report, which is basically the group pickup report. One can see it for a particular date as well as a particular date range. So what this basically tells us is between 15th April and 25th April for the entire group, this is the total room nights pickup, this is the revenue, and this is the average room rate. And if I want to see the breakdown of this room nights, I can see that between all the various properties, and this is my revenue and this is the average room rate. If I want to see the breakdown of this 140 room nights and understand which sources have actually performed, I can click here to understand which sources have actually contributed for that particular property. If I want to see the entire data channel wise, I can also see this from here. So this basically tells me that this 890 rooms broken down into various sources. This is my channel wise performance for the entire group. There's also overall analytics. So for the entire group, if I want to understand at a macro level, what has been my occupancy trend, this will give us for the past few months, what is the occupancy percentage trend, what is the average room rate trend, what is the RevPAR or the revenue per available room trend, as well as what is the total sales, the room nights, and the breakup of that into various sources of business. This is also available in a table form as well. In case you want to see the total business, you can see that by selecting the source, which is PMS. And if you want to see and isolate just the OTA business, one can do that by selecting the source as OTA. And now the data will only show for the performances from the online travel portals alone. Now, this data can be seen monthly, weekly, daily. We also have the ability to make separate clusters. So if a chain has a north, south, east, west cluster, we can make those clusters and one can see that and isolate those clusters and see different clusters performance separately from here. In case the hotel want to see a hotel-wise performance and the breakdown of the overall group performance, we can see it from here. So this will basically tell us what is the occupancy trend in various properties, what is the ARR in various hotels, what is the RevPAR, and the total sales, room nights, and the breakup of that into various sources, and the same data in the table form. Now this is the group analytics and reports. Now, in case one would like to see that for a standalone property, we have a daily report. This is for individual properties. Again, this daily report can be configured to come to your email addresses, which will have the last night's performance in terms of occupancy, revenue, ARR, RevPAR, what is the business on books, which sources of business have actually performed the previous night, which sources have we picked up business, how many times the dynamic pricing system of IOCL has changed the prices, and what was the last price of the hotel against what were the competition hotel prices. We also can see if there were any customer reviews which were received and what was the average score of that review, as well as if there are any booking.com invoices which are pending. This can come to your email so that it's a reminder for you to make timely payments. So that's the daily report. We also have the pickup report that we saw at a group level. We can also see that at individual hotels level, which will again give us either you can see it by a particular day or you can see it for a particular date range. And here you will be able to see that for a given date range, this is the room nights pickup and the revenue pickup at so and so ARR. And it will actually give us date wise breakdown. So here I can understand which dates in future is actually picking up business in terms of and what exactly what ARR are they picking up business and what is the revenue picked up. If I click over here, I can actually see the breakdown of the pickup into various sources. I can also see this data month-wise, so I will be able to understand which months in future are actually picking up business so that you can strategize and ensure that those months the prices are increased accordingly. And you also have a channel-wise pickup report, so you can see for that particular property which channels are picking up business and accordingly make your strategies. There's also a forecast report, so you can actually see the next 10 days forecast. So this will carry the last year's occupancy, the revenue, what is the business on books, as well as it will tell us from the different online platforms what is the demand in the market, whether it's high, low, medium. And depending on these factors, IOCL will forecast the occupancy percentage, the revenue, as well as what is the expected pickup for that day. And at the end, it will show us what is should be the bar rate for that day, the best available rate for that day. So this is a very, very handy report for all our hotels, which is the forecast report. Then we have the hotel-wise performance. So again, we get to see this data monthly, weekly, daily. You can see what is the occupancy trend, what is the ARR trend, RevPAR trend, and what is the total sales, room nights, and the breakup of that into various sources. You can actually see the breakdown of this total sales by segment as well. Segments meaning whether it is from the website, whether it's a walk-in, whether it's a travel agent booking or a corporate. So basically you understand what is your business mix and you see the same data in a table form. We also have a weekly report which can again be configured to come to your email ID. So this weekly report will have the last week's performance compared to the previous 4 weeks. So this will give you information of how the week is performing compared to previous weeks. What is the last week's performance by sources? What is the last week pickup? And you compare that with the pickup of the previous 4 weeks. The last week's pickup by sources and the last week's performance compared to same time last year. So again, to understand how the trends are going, and you have the last week's performance compared with same time last year and divided by source. So a lot of data, which can again be very, very handy when you are making pricing strategies. There's also a monthly report. So this will have month to date data. How is the month to date performance been compared to previous months? What is the last night's performance by source? Month to date performance by source, the pickup by source, and all various other analytics. What is in addition in monthly report is you also have lead time comparisons. So basically how far in advance people are booking your property. What is the day of the week productivity? So which day of the week are you getting your majority of bookings? How long, what is the length of stay? How long are people staying in your property? Which room type is performing the best? and which rate plan are people booking your property. So all of these data analytics can be accessible to you. You can see it on the dashboard, as well as you have these reports which will be sent to your email ID. There's also trend analysis, which forms the basis of the algorithm or the pricing algorithm of IOSL. So here you can see again monthly, weekly, daily, what is the lead time of your property. So this basically tells us how far in advance people are booking your property online. So here, as you can see, 58% of the bookings online are coming on the same day, and accordingly, and then there's 19% of the bookings coming a day prior. So this is how you understand, and you can make your pricing decisions according to how far in advance people are making bookings. This is the length of stay. So how many nights are people staying in your property? Which day of the week are you getting your maximum bookings so that you can accordingly increase or decrease the prices? The last minute bookings is your last 24 hours. So here you can actually see at what time of the day do you get your maximum bookings. And so here, as you can see, at 1500 hours, which is 3 p.m., they get the maximum bookings, and then you see a dip in bookings. So you can actually make sure that the discounts are configured accordingly. There's also trends like room nights by occupancy, by room type. What is the cancellation percentages from various sources? What is the rate ranges which are being booked online? And various other trends that you can see, things like which rate plans are producing, from which OTAs, what is the payment mode like, etc. So these are all the trends. We also have dynamic pricing, which is basically tells us for this given day from the for example, if I were to choose you a day which is a little better because of COVID. So here you can see that how is the pricing moving from 2400 and 1000 rupees? How has the price changed depending on which day people are booking you? This is the dynamic pricing for future dates. And you also have a rate override graph. So if the hotel is overriding the dynamic pricing, you also get to see that in the override graph. Thank you very much. And I hope this video was useful. Thank you.